Hey, it's Ty with Credit Suite, and in this business credit funding tip, I'm going to teach you how to get business credit with no personal guarantee. So when you put your Social Security number on a credit application, you're almost always providing a personal guarantee. This means you're personally liable for your business debts if that's a business application you're completing. So if you were to default on one of those obligations, well, then the creditor is going to pursue your business assets as well as your personal assets, including your home, car, stocks, bonds, bank account, and all other assets. Now, business owners don't expect to fail, but unfortunately 90% do. So it makes no sense to put you and your family's financial future in jeopardy when you don't actually need to. Okay, especially in a case where 90% of businesses don't make it. Remember, many times the reason a business may fail or you may fail to default or may fail to pay an account as agreed has nothing to do with you. It may have to do with shifts in the economy. So build your business credit so you could truly obtain credit without a personal guarantee that you're not personally liable for. Figure out how at creditsuite.com.